When you're just starting out with gardening, it can seem like there's so much to know and you've got 1,000 questions. How should you plant your veggies? And what kind of soil is best? When should you prune your hydrangeas and divide your hostas? Is everything getting enough sunlight and water? The good news is that nature is a terrific teacher. The more you garden, the more you'll learn about what works and what doesn't. But for now, use this list of basic gardening tips to find the answers to some of the most common questions beginners have. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. 1. Know your USDA hardiness zone. Use it as a guide to avoid planting trees, shrubs, and perennials that won't survive winters in your area. You'll also get a better idea of when to expect your last frost date in spring, so you know when you can plant vegetables, fruits, and annuals outside in your area. 2. Not sure when to prune? Prune spring flowering shrubs such as lilacs immediately after the blooms fade. They set their flower buds in autumn on last year's growth. If you prune them in fall or winter, you remove next spring's flower buds. 3. Apply only composted, rotted manure that has cured for at least 6 months to your soil. Fresh manure is too high in nitrogen and can burn plants. It may also contain pathogens or parasites. Manure from pigs, dogs, and cats should never be used in gardens or compost piles because they may contain parasites that can infect humans. 4. Perennials generally need 3 years to achieve their mature size after you plant them. Remember the adage that they sleep, creep, and leap each year, respectively. 5. Learn how long your growing season is the time between your last frost in spring and first frost in fall, so you can start some plants inside or avoid growing them. These are just 5 beginning tips. If you want to know more, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening!